Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel Investment Mindset. Today I'll be doing a second follow-up video on the stock ticker Catcha trading on Bursa Malaysia. My first video on Catcha Digital Berhad was published way back about 3 weeks ago. Back then, when I published my first video on Catcha stock analysis, this stock was trading at around 28 cents. In my video, I advised not to buy at 28 cents but wait for the stock to retrace back to the price range of around 23.5 cents to 22.5 cents. My patience paid off when Catcha stock finally retraced back to 23.5 cents, and that's when my queue to buy Catcha stock was filled on the 16th of March this year, where I did also share it live on both my FB and IG. And on 21st of March, I decided to sell the first 70% of my Catcha stock when it traded back to a high of 30 cents to lock in a nice profit of about 27% within a week, and that's a good return within such a short period of time. And I continue to hold on to the remaining 30% for it to go higher. The next day, it did trade slightly higher at 31.5 cents before it continued to pull back for the next 8 trading days thus far. Today, as I'm recording this video, Catcha stock is trading at 24.5 cents. I did manage to buy back into Catcha stock at 25 cents recently too, where I also did post it on both my IG and Facebook. I plan to add more to dollar cost average down should Catcha stock price continue to pull back, and my second target price would be around 23 cents to 22.5 cents. Where at this price, it also coincides with its 50 days moving average price and filled the gap over here, where it was left way back in August 2021. At this 23 cents price level, it should form as a very good support, and I would expect for Catcha stock price to rebound from this level onwards, with high probability in our favor. Webull Singapore now offers one-stop access to both the US and Hong Kong stock market, which is two most important markets in the world. It has the most investor-friendly features such as zero commission, fractional shares, and powerful trading tools. If you are keen to sign up for a trading account with Webull, you may click on the link below my video. Now they are having a promotion where you get free shares value up to $500 when you fund any amount into your account. You could get up to $300 worth of fractional shares, and if you maintain the fund in it for at least 30 days, you would get an extra up to $200 worth of fractional shares. If you were to ask why did I buy in to add at 25 cents, this is because at this price, I think it's an attractive level and I don't mind adding. If you did watch my past first video on Catcha stock analysis, I did mention that two of Catcha vendors, that is Catcha Investment Limited and iCreative Asian Syndrome Berhad, were both allotted shares of Catcha Digital Berhad at 25 cents per share. When it comes to stock movement, it is always about probability and not 100% conviction. And due to such nature, I would always want to nibble into a position at a price level which I view it as attractive. So it need not be at the lowest price possible, as I know I will continue to add on to my position should the stock price continue downward thereafter. Vice versa, I would also not look to sell it at the highest price possible as long as the profit is reasonably good. I would not hesitate to lock in my profit, just like what I did with Catcha stock on 21st of March recently. Fundamentally, Catcha Digital Berhad also possesses a strong financial strength with no debts, and with the acquisition finally completed, Catcha Digital now owns a fast-growing integrated digital media solution provider with an extensive portfolio of digital marketing platform. In my opinion, it is now time for Catcha Digital Berhad to perform and accelerate their growth in the digital media industry. If you're looking for a good stock to buy into, you may consider Catcha stock. But again, I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and what I share over here is purely for educational and entertainment purposes. You must still do your own due diligence and arrive at your own decision. Bye for now, and may our good Lord bless you and your family abundantly. So before I end my video, as usual, if you find value in my video, do give a like, subscribe if you have not done so, and do turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss out on any of my future uploads. Bye, and I shall see you again in my next video.